2020 GLE350. We got some oil change on it. Nothing crazy for today. Whip out my handyman trim tool. I just got out of class. Came straight to work, so time to get some money. Gonna go ahead and crack this oil filter. I'll be looking underneath. Not too bad, not too shabby. Oh, that motherfucker stuck. Oh shit. Am I the only one who be putting it on their finger? Can't just be me. Yeah, like that. Like that. Can't be no type of residue on this shit. Stinking clean. Two little tests. It's good.